You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Open the passenger door for easy access. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side, under the glove box. Remove the cabin filter flange cover.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Then remove the filter. Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. Take the new filter. Pay careful attention to the direction of the filter to properly position the airflow arrows. The arrows on the filter must point downwards. Insert it into its housing. Put the cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.